Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Terry. So today I'm going to show you how I installed my butterfly locks. These are from Youngther and this is what they look like. So I did started to do my braiding pattern off camera. I'm just going to show you guys how I did it. I am basically basting my hair with the Let's Jam, and then I'm going to part out small boxes and braid each section. And I'm gonna braid my hair about halfway down. So once I did that, I go ahead and I part out my next braiding section, clean that up with my jam and ensure that my parting is neat. And I also did it like I also parted my hair out so that each braid, or when I install the lock, it could fall in between each other so that I won't have any gaps and the hair would just fall naturally and look nice. So now I'm going to take my first braid and attach it to that second section, and then I'm going to braid that going halfway down again. So basically this is what I'll be doing on this row. That's what I did for each row, and what this pattern does is that it creates an illusion as if you installed your fox locks or your butterfly locks individually. I'm just going to go ahead and keep on repeating that same process. And once the front part is done, I'm just going to go ahead and unravel the twist that I put in previously just to keep my hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just do normal cornrows going backwards. So towards the side of my head, I joined those two sections together and I cornrow going backwards. So in total, towards the back of my head, I had 5 cornrows going back, and I joined the end of each cornrow into the next cornrow that I was doing, so that I did not have any excess hair going down. I only had one braid or one plait when I was finished. So I'm just gonna show you guys like a close-up of how I did it. I basically like parted my hair down. Once I did that, I started doing my cornrow, just a regular cornrow going backwards. I'm gonna braid my hair down, and once I reach about halfway, I'm going to take the end of my other braid and attach that to my hair, and then continue cornrowing down. So you guys can see that little zigzag look that the braid created towards the back of my head, and that's what I'm going to keep on doing until I end up with one braid. And I do have one lock like towards the front because I was testing out the theory and it actually worked. I did try other methods, but this was the easiest to do with the butterfly locks. So this is what the braiding pattern should look like towards the front, and towards the back this is what it should look like. That little braid that I have on the end right there, I'm just going to take it and pull it underneath my cornrow just to secure it. Okay, so now I'm gonna install my locks. As you guys can see, the loop is real tiny, so I'm just gonna like pull the hair down a little bit. As you guys can see, it sides up and down, so I'm gonna pull it down a little bit so that I can get some room to work with. The loop is much bigger now. I'm gonna take my crochet tool and push it under the braid. I'm going to remove the crochet tool, push my finger through the loop and grab the very end of the crochet tool. And then I will create my knots. The knots were kind of hard to create. It's not impossible, but it was a bit difficult to create because of the texture of the lock. So the bigger you can get your loop, the better. So you want to ensure that you're taking it from the very end and not from the middle. That way it won't get like stuck or like very hard to pull through. So you just want to take your time and pull that lock through. And then once you do that, you want to pull the top part of the hair back up. So just a little detail about the hair. This hair is from Youngther. It is 12 inches long and it's in the color T30. It's a very nice golden brownish color with an ombre towards the end. It's very firm. The locks are like super firm. It's not as light as your traditional fox locks, but you know, it's still not as heavy as braids. So they're easy to work with. The technique that I show you guys with pulling down the top of the locks, you want to ensure that you do that so that the fox locks goes on super easily. This hair is from Amazon and I will be providing a link down below to where I got this hair. It's a really nice hair, short and really nice for the summertime. So when you guys receive this hair, you get it like in a big pack. As I showed in the first clip with that big bag, that's what the hair comes in, and then it comes in smaller bags. In the package, I received 6 packs of butterfly locks, and in each pack there are 12 locks. So towards the front here, I installed 24 locks towards the front, 12 on each side, so that's 2 packs that I used to the front of my hair. And then towards the back of my head I used 3 packs of hair, so in total I used 5 packs of butterfly locks. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I do the back part of my hair. We're just going to do the basic crochet method. You're going to put it under your braid going downwards, and then you're going to take the very end of the lock and you're going to put it through the loop and create your knot. That's what it's looking like so far. So you're gonna like push your crochet tool going down, and then you're gonna remove it. Then you're gonna attach the end of your hair and pull your hair down to create a loop. Again, we're going to insert our crochet tool going downwards. You're going to attach your lock, and then you're going to hook end on, and then you're going to put it through the loop. Remember to slide your hair down. Remember to slide the fox locks, the top of the fox locks down, so that the loop can be big enough for the hair to go in. So right here I'm just finishing off. Alright, so that's what the back of my hair looks like so far. And this is what my hair looks like once I am finished, guys. As you can see towards the front, there's this illusion that I installed my crochet locks individually. So you can like part your hair to the side, to the center, anyhow you want to do it. And this is what the back is looking like. It did fill in all the gaps. So now we're going to move on to my edges. I'm just going to go ahead and like define my edges, smooth them down so that the hairstyle can come together. I'm gonna tie my edges down so that it can set into place. And once that's done, this is the final look, you guys. I really love the way that it looks. It looks really cute. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of how you can style. Right here I have it like up in one, like a high puff look like, and right here I have it down like in a center part. Next up, I'm doing a side part. Really love the way that the side part looks. Super cute. And finally, I did a half up, half down. So this hairstyle is really versatile. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Peace.